nga baakamala okulonda sipiika wa Palamenti y'omulundi gwe-12 leero ababaka basibe mu musomo oguteekeddwa Palamenti okubabangula ku ngeri Palamenti gy'etambuzibwamu kiyite induction. Kalaani wa Palamenti Adolfu Mwesigye yasooseewo nabo ababaka ekifaananyi kya Palamenti gye baba basuubira. Ono ategeeza nti iPad z'ababaka ba Palamenti zituuka olunaku lwa leero nga zino zigenda kubayambako ku mirimu gya Palamenti mu kukendeeza ku nkozesa y'empapula.
We have already procured them. They will arrive today, all the iPads. So what we are going to do is the Department of ICT will guide you on how to use those iPads, because much of the work is paperless.
Adolfu ajjukiza ababaka nti balondebwa okukiikirira abantu nti era bannayibulankanya entula 15 ez'omuddiringanwa bandifiirwa ebifo byabwe.
If you miss 15 consecutive sittings of Parliament as an MP, that can be a ground for nullification, vacation of your seat.
And I request you, honorable colleagues, don't look at a speaker as a moving ATM. I want to be honest, because me, I had feared coming to office. You come to office, members have already surrounded you. If I don't have 10 million, 20 million, I don't enter office. I hide from you.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.